I unbox this microwave waffle maker from Aldi. So this one is at the bottom, and put the waffle mix on top of here, and then put this to cover it. Click this and put into microwave. Please read the instruction that come with the box. The black top plate that is made from aluminum alloy with non-stick coating. To wash it, so put into the salt water for 5 minutes and hand wash only. And this is the silicone pot. You can separate easily for easy cleaning. The silicone pot that can be put into dishwasher safe. If microwave over 900 watts, adjust the time and power. Use half cup thick liquid so you will not leak. After putting microwave, use glove to take it out. It's very hot. I use microwave waffle maker to make continental breakfast. This is grilled cheese sandwich. This is pork sausage links. This is omelette. Use microwave waffle maker to make grilled cheese sandwich. Here are the ingredients: cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, bread. This one at the bottom, once click and put it on the top and cover it and click. It is grilled cheese sandwich. Yeah, cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese together. Excellent savory taste. Great sandwich. I use microwave waffle maker to cook classic pork sausage links. First, get a microwave safe plate to hold the grease from the pork sausage. And put this on top. Get the sausage. Cover it. Click. Let's try this pork sausage. It's well seasoned. Very good savory taste. Good sausage. I use microwave waffle maker to make an omelette. Here are the ingredients: Kefir cheese, egg, mixed vegetable, green onion. Mix well. It's on top. Spread it out. Covered it. Click. Click. Try this omelette. Very good savory taste. Excellent omelette. This microwave waffle maker to make grilled chicken. Here are the ingredients. Thin sliced chicken breast, so it make it easy to cook. Garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt. And this is this end. Make it bigger. And use the other end to make it softer. Chicken into the plastic bag. With the scissor, onion, garlic, salt, black pepper, together, mix well. Here, cover it, and cook. I use microwave waffle maker to make grilled chicken cheese sandwich. Here are the ingredients: grilled chicken, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, bread. Put the grilled chicken on top of this. Cover this, and close this, and click. It's grilled chicken with cheese sandwich. Take a bite. The grilled chicken with mozzarella and cheddar cheese together, that's very good savory taste. It's an excellent sandwich. I use microwave waffle maker to make chocolate waffle. Here are the ingredients: waffle mix, dark chocolate, milk. This is chocolate waffle mix. I'm going to put on top of this machine. Put more. Chocolate waffle mix inside this black box. If you put it outside and just take it out, and then cover this top over to cover this, and click it. Click and put it into microwave. I'll taste chocolate waffle paired with blueberry, strawberry, and condensed milk. I'll taste chocolate waffle with blueberry, strawberry, and condensed milk. Great taste, excellent match. After using this microwave waffle maker, here are my review. Pros: it's easy to cook and clean. It's easy to store and carry. Cons: to cook larger size dishes and multiple dishes, it takes time. It's better to buy more than one set.
I love unboxing and reviewing products from the LA area. Check out my channel playlist, Alan's Workshop, to see them all. Thanks for watching my video. I'd love your encouragement and suggestions to help improve my channel. Please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, write your comments, share my videos, and follow my IG and Facebook accounts. Please shop the items via my links to support the channel. I appreciate your support.